place at the right time. He's being recognized for his service along the road, and we're not just talking about changing tires. NBC 10's Marissa Brainey talks with the highway hero.
I've seen some amazing things. I've been everywhere. Of course, you're always looking when you're driving. You're always scanning the area. You never know where it is until you pull over.
When Mike Hawthorne pulled over along a desolate stretch of highway outside Dallas last week, he spotted a family that needed his help.
He just told me that his wife, the water's broke and she's in labor.
The longtime Vineland, New Jersey driver carries a safety kit with him and without hesitation put it to good use.
By the time I got the gloves on and try to have the mom relax, that everything's going to be okay, she was already breaching.
When we all first heard it, we were surprised. We were happy. And, it brought tears to some of our people's eyes.
The couple, who with Hawthorne's help delivered a healthy baby boy, wrote a letter to his company NFI thanking him for his helping hand. But this wasn't his first rodeo. Over the years, Hawthorne has delivered 2 other babies on the side of the road, one in California, one in Maryland.
Oh no, not again. I've done this before.
Delivering 3 babies, amazing enough. But during his 20 years on the road, Mike has seen it all, and he's performed all kinds of roadside rescues.
In 2000, Hawthorne was driving through Ohio when a tornado came through and he pulled a baby out of a stuck car seat.
We turned around, the tornado took the car about 75 yards out in the pasture, flipped upside down.
His tornado rescue and one of his other baby deliveries earned him 2 Highway Angel Awards from the Truckload Carriers Association. Hawthorne doesn't see his helping hand as heroic, just the right thing to do.
Right place, right time, willing to give a helping hand, faith, I don't know. I'm just glad to be there in time of need for somebody.
In Vineland, Marissa Brainey, NBC 10 News.